Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will take a look at this Whirlpool freestanding electric range. We will show you how to remove, test, and replace your surface element. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tool needed for this repair is a multimeter. The main reason why you would be replacing a surface element is if the element is not cooking your food, you'll notice it doesn't get hot, it could actually be broken. Now all of these elements test out the same way as well as remove and replace the same exact way. The first thing I would do, lay down a surface mat, pull out your element by lifting up and sliding out and set your element aside. Next, pull out on the bottom pan and set it aside. Inside, you do have a reciprocal inside the bottom here. What you want to do is turn the designated infinite switch to the power. Use your meter leads and touch the metal contacts inside the switch as long as they're not melted to make sure that you're getting the proper voltage. These elements power off of 240 volts. If that tests okay, you'll want to test the continuity on the element. Now I'm going to set my meter to an audible tone. You're testing for ohms. Each one of these elements should have anywhere from 10 to 50 ohms. In this particular situation, if this does have continuity going through it, it will make a beeping sound. So that element is testing out good. It had 42 ohms. To replace the burner, first put in your bottom cover, slide it to the correct position so that the prongs can go into the reciprocal. Do not force these in. You can put them in crooked, just kind of ease them in. At some point, it'll feel almost like it's spring-loaded. Slide it in until it clicks. Make sure your element is sitting in the plate okay, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.